Welcome to the Floral POS. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the new feature we just released, Flower Shop Network's category picker. Let's get started. So what we did is we did two different things. In the update, we actually make it so now all of your items coming from Flower Shop Network, all your orders that flow in, now break the shopping cart into individual items. Before in the past, it would actually just kind of group it together in one big item and have the total at the end. Now we actually break them into individual items, so it makes your guys' life a lot easier when you're running reports. But one of the issues that we had when we were doing that was when items were being created in inventory, it was actually going to categories that you guys really didn't necessarily want them going into. So now we're gonna give you the option to direct items into the right category with the Flower Shop Network category picker that we created. So let's go into System Config, go into Wire Config, and then inside of Flower Shop Network, there's a new icon. It looks like a little full shopping cart that says Flower Shop Network Category Picker. Inside of here, you can select where you want things to go. So if you have like a plush coming through, and that's basically just a gift, you can actually select gifts, plush, add it. And now if a plush keyword comes through a Flower Shop Network order, it'll automatically put it in the category gifts. If it has to create a new inventory item, it will. Otherwise, it'll actually put it into an inventory item that already exists. So let's say you have like roses coming through as a keyword, anything that has roses in it, it'll actually put it into your roses category like this. Now we have it so it does intelligently try to select it on its own, but now you're telling it what to do. Kind of a cool thing. So that way you can direct items into your correct categories. So when you're doing your accounting, your reports, things look the way they have to, and you don't have to go through and delete or edit orders. Cool thing about that, let's take a look at an order here from Flower Shop Network. So this is actually what it looks like now. It's broken out into individual items. So this is a Brilliance bouquet, Mylar balloon, some chocolates, and a stuffed animal, and a tip. All broken out for you. Let's look at another order. Same thing, we have the beautiful, colorful blooms flower arrangement and 2 tips broken into individual items. Let's look at inventory. So it's going to automatically add inventory for you. Stuffed animal goes to gifts, chocolates go to gifts, balloons go to balloons. This Brilliance bouquet went into bouquets, and this colorful blooms goes into floral arrangements. Now we have a catch-all as well, so if the item comes through and you don't necessarily have it set up and it doesn't know where to put it, you can set up a default item. So by default, it'll put it into floral arrangements, but if you want it to go somewhere else by default, you can just type in keyword default, and you can select whatever category you want. Let's say you want it to go into like green plants. So now let's go into flower, add. So now if it comes through the system and it doesn't know where to place the item category-wise, it'll place it into flower. Kind of a neat thing. So this is coming in update 7.5.30. We also added the a new format for the wire in email alerts and website email alerts for Flower Shop Network, so you can kind of see how it's laid out now. It's a little bit more professional looking, a little bit easier to read instead of everything being crunched together. And also your cart is broken out here in this as well. So yeah, so when you guys get a chance, go ahead and download 7.5.30, which will be available later today. And if you have any questions, give us a call at 888-865-9768. Email us at support@thefloralpos.com, and as always, you can click on the smiley face, and we'll see you guys in the next video.